the foundation to make his remarks and pay tributes to President Kalam.
Thank you, Pravina Garu. And first of all, a very good evening to all of you. And good to see all of you on this webinar here. I think today is really a momentous day for us to remember Kalam Garu on this day. For me, his vision, his life has been a true message whom we haven't seen many in our country have or in the world have lived. I think to be somebody who's really been the best in what he does. In his own work, he was phenomenal as a missile man of the country, as somebody who excelled as a scientist, I think, and gone on to actually lead the country as a president with values is something phenomenal. I have had the great fortune of taking some awards at the Rashtrapati Bhavan with many presidents. But for me, I think his warmth and his affection, even in that 1 minute interaction, shows amazingly. He was childlike in his affection, and with his knowledge and humility, it was an unbelievable combination. I think for us, for all of the people, especially the youth, I think how to live our life, I think there could be no better example than what Abdul Kalam ji was. I think for us as a nation, for him to be born on our land is something we should feel so proud about. For me, I've had the great fortune of meeting him one time at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, but for 3 times in the Lead India meetings. And for me, I could see a person who was on one side, who would talk about love, affection, warmth, but also somebody who was so meticulous in what he wanted. And he was so clear in his vision. And it is something which was really exemplary because the meetings which were held were his clear vision was passed on. And I'm so happy today that we heard Acharya ji speak. I think for me, Acharya ji has been somebody who's lived those ideals, who's actually pushed himself to see that the vision of Abdul Kalam ji actually moves. And and it's his great vision and thinking of Acharya ji that I have people and students of his 35 years ago who would come and say, you made an impact in the Bal Bharati days. I think with that kind of research into what he said and what he wrote, values are not taught, values are caught, is something which is amazing. And to actually have Abdul Kalam ji come together, and I remember those meetings, which were such great learnings for me. I think today to be able to actually pass on that to the next generation in terms of values and in terms of the entire research is something which is really phenomenal. In 2004, when this mission was started, I was part of it. In 2009, I've been interacting with people who've been affected by it, who improved their lives drastically by it. And today, I see with new zeal and enthusiasm and with the new found energy, I think people driving to ensure that this becomes the future. All I would say is that I don't see many programs talk about the country the way Lead India talks about it. The very breadth talks about Aap Badhao, Desh Ko Badhao, Lead India. I think that's the very common nature. I think at every step, our improvement leads to our country's improvement is something which is spoken about so deeply. And I'm so happy today that we are remembering Kalamji on this day. And with this elite panel, so many of us here have so much to learn. And I thank each one of you who is part of this and the entire Lead India Foundation. Big congratulations for putting this wonderful event together. And all I would say is that Acharya ji, your drive, your mission to take forward Abdul Kalam ji's thoughts and ideas and vision is remarkable. And I wish that all of us can contribute our little bit on this journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gopi. I have to say that the words, every word that you spoke is not just inspiring for the students and youth. I think you said something that's left a lot of inspiration in me. I am reminded of some of the values which are fundamental, and how fondly you remember and how deep rooted you are. Of course, we are going to come back to you on a little bit more detailed discussion on values. But before we proceed further, we have a film to depict Dr. Kalam's association with Lead India.